Hey, what's going on, guys? Blacksea here with the Crypto Report. Today I want to come to you with a video about Tectonic, Cronos, and then talk a little bit about Bitcoin. So I wanted to dive in back into Tectonic. I know we've been starting to talk about this a little bit recently, but Crypto Kip has really been convincing me to look a little bit deeper into this project because it only has an $18 million market cap, and it is poised to be one of the top projects on the Cronos ecosystem, which is very, very interesting to me. So, first of things first, there's definitely a lot of hype going on right now. Well, a lot of hype in the echo chamber of the Cronos ecosystem. Definitely not mainstream hype at all about this project in the crypto space. But guys, look at this pump. Like, oh my gosh, look at that. It's going it's going up, and that's healthy. That's a healthy climb up. Well, we're kind of in a beginning of a parabola, which kind of looks like we're about to launch off. But just look at the 7 day. That looks so healthy. Looks so healthy. Look at that. That's incredible. That's incredible. We are still the beautiful thing about it only being an $18 million market cap is if you like volatility and you like playing around with coins like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, but a coin that actually has promise and a use case and isn't just a random meme coin, this is something to look at. Tectonic. Oh my gosh, look at that 3 month. That's incredible. But look at this in the past 3 months. We're still, usually you don't want to be buying coins when they've pumped so much, but we really haven't pumped at all when you look at this chart. Look at that. We came into inception on December 27th, 2021. It hasn't even been a full year yet, and we're down here. And look at this bottom. Like, look at that. I think that I'm gonna have to look deeper into this project, and because it's part of the Cronos ecosystem, and guys, I'm so bullish on Crow, and the crypto report, we're all so bullish on Crow. I'm gonna have to take a deeper dive in this, and I think that I'm gonna pick up some coins of Tectonic. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about Tectonic, and if you hold any. But there's a lot of hype going on about it right now, and when you start to look at this chart in the longer time frame, you realize that there is a big opportunity here. There is a very, very big opportunity here. You look at the 7 day, you're like, oh my gosh, it's been pumping like crazy. But in retrospect, we're still haven't even broken these lows right here. Once we break here, I think that we're ready for a liftoff, especially if Crow starts pumping and following the same line, the same line. And in my previous videos, I've been talking about is Bitcoin breaking out of this triangle. This is the weekly wedge, but let me pull it up for you guys. Here it is. But we've already broken out of this triangle. We've broken out, and I'm looking for a retest back on the top of this triangle and then a resumption up. When I see that, I'm going to be mega bullish, mega bullish. And we have a lot of important things coming up, guys. We have the Fed talk, and you know how the markets love to be super wishy-washy when things like that happens. Where we have that coming up, we have the monthly close, and next month, I believe, if we're still pumping up and we have a retest and a resumption off, if we do something like this, then if we start doing that leading into the next month, I believe that Cronos is going to start just following this line. I love this line I drew. I'd smash the like button if you'd like to see Cronos do something like that when Bitcoin fully breaks out and proves that it's going to be has the retest and resumption. But so I also wanted to talk about the Bitcoin shorts chart. So this chart indicates how many shorts are opened on Bitcoin right now. And as you can see right now, this right here, this indicates that shorts are being liquidated. Shorts are being liquidated. What we need is to have, we don't want this to do this. because when that happens, then the longs are going to be doing the opposite. And when the longs are doing the opposite, it benefits the exchange to liquidate them because they make more money. That's just business as usual with the crypto exchanges. What we want to see is we want to stay at this median level right here, maybe even come up. When the shorts come up, then it behooves the crypto exchanges to pump the price, because what does that do? It liquidates the shorts and the exchanges make the money. So we want to see this stay at this level, the shorts staying at this level, maybe even going up a little bit. So that would indicate that Bitcoin comes down, like how I drew right here. Bitcoin would need to come down and retest this area, because then when that happens, we'll have a short squeeze and we'll pump up. And when we pump up and we break out of this area right here, target of 25,000, if we break around 24,000 and we break above this, the momentum will be very, very difficult to stop. And I really believe that we're going to be pushing into potentially the 24, 28K range. And if we have the Fed pivoting as well on top of that, well, then I think that you could see a very, very healthy and strong rally back out of these lows. And I don't think we would see these lows for a little while, unless we have like a capitulation event or something like that in the next few months. But those are very, very short. Very, very short. It's like a flash crash. It's to liquidate and clean out the leverage. It's just what it is. But so what does that mean for CRO? So, like I said, if we have a retest of Bitcoin, we're going to come down, and then we're going to go up. That's what we want to see. That's what we want to see, guys. So also I wanted to show you guys what I like to do in scenarios like this. So over here on Phemex, I open up a long trade. I can choose my contracts. I open up a long, but I'm not going to open up a long until we see something of the retest. When I see this retest come down here around like 19,000, that's when I would open up my long, because I'm confident that we're going to have a resumption, a nice bounce off this. But if we break back into this triangle, well, that's a different story. But what I'm looking for is to get to the levels about 19,600, maybe even a little bit shorter, maybe like 19,000. Now I'm going to open up a small, lightly leveraged long. And if you'd like to do that as well, all you need to do is go to the bottom of our videos and click our link to Phemex, and you can get up to $4,100 in free trading bonuses. I know that sounds crazy, but if you deposit and open trades, you can get up to $4,100 of free trading money. But let's go back to Cronos. So where are we going here? You know, every time I start to think about how Cronos is going to pump, I just start thinking about more and more things that are so bullish, that are just around the corner. Like, we are at such a pivotal, chaotic point here. We broke out of the triangle on Bitcoin. We have a monthly candle close coming in just a few days, 3 days to be precise. We have the Federal Reserve, rumors of them pivoting, which is very dovish and or bullish. And we have the FIFA World Cup coming up for cryptocom, which they're sponsoring. Guys, I'm so bullish on CRO right now and the entire crypto space. It's very, very exciting. And now we may trade sideways. It's definitely possible for a while. But I do think that I am expecting some volatility here very, very soon. And what does that mean for Tectonic? Well, I think Tectonic's going to keep pumping. If Bitcoin pumps on top of Tectonic already pumping, it's going to be beautiful. Well, guys, if you like this video, please give me a like, subscribe, and leave me a comment down below saying that you enjoyed it. Thanks very much, guys. Bye.